Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CrowdStreet for accredited real estate opportunities, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with CrowdStreet, visit the official website. Once there, locate the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will need to enter your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, click Create Account. Check your email for a verification message from CrowdStreet. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Next, log in using your email address and the password you just created. Once logged in, you must fill out your profile information. Provide the required details, including your full name and relevant financial information. Make sure to confirm that you are an accredited investor. This step is vital as CrowdStreet focuses on accredited investment opportunities. After completing your profile, you may need to agree to some terms and conditions. Read through these documents carefully before accepting. Once you've agreed, you can begin exploring available investment opportunities. Navigate to the Investment Opportunities section of the website. Here, you will find a list of current real estate projects seeking funding. Each project will have detailed information, including location, expected returns, and timelines. Choose a project that interests you and click on it for more details. If you decide to invest, click the Invest button on the project page. You will need to enter the amount you wish to invest. Review all investment terms and conditions before proceeding. Once satisfied, confirm your investment by following the on-screen instructions. Finally, you will receive a confirmation of your investment via email. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.